Thanks for joining me to color. Today we're going to be working on this adorable Stampin' Bella image called Nice to See You. Aren't they cute with all their different glasses on there? I love that. This stamp also comes with a sentiment that we will be stamping on the inside of the card today at the end. I wanted to use the sentiment on it and there wasn't enough room on the front of my card to do that, so I thought we'd just go ahead and use it on the inside, and then we're going to decorate the inside too with a little bit of paper too. So this is a card kit, and since I'm going to be closing the store, I'm going to go ahead and put a link to this card kit down in the description box to the blog post. We're going to be trying out something new. It's going to be, I'm going to try to put a buy it now button on the blog post so that you can go purchase it there, because the store will be closing on August 14th. I can no longer keep it up. It is no longer financially stable for me to allow me to do that. So hopefully you will continue to buy the card kits and you can go over there and pick this up off the store blog. If it's not working, make sure to email me at HeathersHobbieHaven@hotmail.com and I will make sure to get a hold of you or fix the button or figure it out. This is going to be a learning process until I figure out what I want to do. I'm trying to revamp the blog and make it have like a home page and then a few other pages that you can go to. Maybe a little small section that has a small little store with just the card kits in there. And I also have my eBay store up and running, so I'll put a link to that down in the description box too in case you would like to go check that out, because that is where everything from the store eventually will end up that's left over. I'm also having a sale on at the store to try to get rid of things. So if you head over to the store, on the front home screen there is a coupon code for you to use to get a discount. So go ahead and make sure and use that so that you can get a little bit off of your order from now until the store closes. So anyway, I'm loving coloring here. I decided that I was going to make my pig brown. I know the pigs aren't usually brown, but maybe he's covered in dirt today. So that's what we're going to do, is we're going to color him brown, and then we're going to color all of our adorable little chickies there, and then color all their glasses a completely different color. And in case you miss the colors as they pop up, if you go over to the store blog, I always make sure to put a pin card on there so that you can save the color chart to your pin board and use those later. I think that's a great idea, even for me, because I had a whole bunch of Post-it notes sitting around on my desk, and having a pin card is definitely a little bit easier. You can go over to the pin board and find the colors that you like or the card you liked, and then you can just use those same exact colors on another card. So it's an easy, quick and easy way for you to go ahead and do that. If you don't have a pin board, feel free to always, you can print the card out, I don't mind, and save it in a little album or a notebook or a folder or whatever it is you do for those, and then you can use the color combinations later on too. I always like to use a swatch book or some kind of thing to keep track of colors, because it's hard sometimes to find or figure out what you want to use, so it's easier for me at least to go back and see the colors and be like, oh, I really like this one, so let's try that out. So that's a good way for you to do that. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let you finish watching the coloring, and I will chat with you again when we start putting the card together. So after I finish coloring, I'm going to add some Wink of Stella brush pen and clear to all of their glasses to make them have some shiny shimmer to them. I thought that would be really pretty. And you could also use your Spica Clear glitter pen, but since the red glasses are a little bit larger, this was a little bit easier to do, and you can put multiple coats on to make them as glittery as you want to. So after I get that done, I'm going to use my Copic multiliner in point 2 to make a frame around the outside. And I'm not being neat and tidy, I'm just squiggling a line around once, and then I'm going to go back and offset the line and make a little bit of squiggles on there to give it a frame. Kind of a wonky thing. You can also have stamps that do that, but I didn't have a stamp, so I went ahead and just drew one on. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the card together. And if you're interested in any of this paper, I'll put a link to all of this stuff down in the description box in case you would like to pick it up. Some of it's really cute, like this camera one. Isn't that adorable? I can't believe I haven't sold out of that already. But if you want some of that, head over to the store and grab it up, and make sure to use the coupon that's on the front page of the store while I'm still open, so you can grab that on sale because it is really cute. So after I get my card together, we are going to, oh, before I forget, I did stamp the image on the inside of my card, and we're going to decorate it with that extra piece of cardstock there on the side so that it will have some paper in there. And it says, "Just to let you know I miss you." And all of the U's are missing from the sentiment. Isn't that awesome? I love it. So after this, I'm going to go ahead and put some glossy accents onto all of the glasses so they'll be shiny. And then I'm going to add some Nuvo jewel drops to the corners to give them some enamel dots there. I also found a set of the Reset Girl enamel dots that have some glasses on there that would be really cute, but I couldn't put them in the kit because I didn't have enough for the 9 stamps I had. So I will link those down in the description too in case you would like to pick up a set of those enamel dots because they are really cute. See, right there, very adorable with the glasses. So anyway, I hope you had fun coloring today. If you have a question, leave me a comment down below. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell next to that so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video or I'm doing a live class. I'd love to chat with you. Don't forget to say hi in the comments. Bye-bye.